Molly Martens, the killer of Irish widower Jason Corbett, will be able to return to her home in 6 weeks when her parole period ends. Miss Martens and her father, retired FBI agent Tom Martens, were originally convicted of the murder of Mr. Corbett, a father of two and Limerick packaging industry executive, at his luxury home in North Carolina in August 2015. However, the father and daughter immediately challenged their conviction and won their appeal before the North Carolina Supreme Court. North Carolina authorities later agreed a plea bargain deal with the father and daughter, whereby they both admitted the voluntary manslaughter of Mr. Corbett. They served a total of 4 years and 3 months behind bars before being released in June of 2024. However, one of the terms of Miss Martens' release is that she remain under the supervision of the parole board for 1 year after her release. She was able to transfer her parole supervision from North Carolina to her home state of Tennessee. Her parents, Tom and Sharon, both live in Knoxville. However, Molly was unable to live with her parents because under US law, no two convicted felons can share the same address. For the last couple of months, Molly has been living in the basement of a nearby property, which enables her to see her parents on a regular basis. She has not been in breach of her parole, and in 6 weeks' time, when her parole ends, she will be in a position to move back into her family home in Knoxville.